All right, what do you do with your body when you present? I'll show you. Hello, my name is Ursula and I help people find their confident voices. Now today we're gonna show you how to present in your confident body as well, because it's all linked and you know this. Now you're standing there, you're presenting a meeting, and all of a sudden you think, oh goodness, what am I supposed to do with my body to make my message and my impact stronger? And you can do all of this just through your body to support your message. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so right now. Otherwise, let's get back to it. The ways that you don't understand when you're doing a presentation, it's a mistake I see people make all the time. First one is hands in pockets for the guys. I don't have any pockets, but kind of get the feeling. Nothing says closed, like this one. Then there's hands behind your back, and I'll tell you why we don't want to have hands behind the back. Hands to the front, it also pinches you off. And this one, even though yes, this is the superwoman pose, it can be quite dominating and unfriendly for your audience. So the reason why we also don't want to close off the hands and hide the hands is because the hands is your magic for connection. Now, thought leader Vanessa Van Edwards, she's got The Science of People, and she speaks about how our hands and people who look at the hands goes back to our ancestral hardwiring. So back in caveman days, if you saw another person, another tribe, you'd look at their hands. Why? Weapons. Do they have weapons? Or if they're running out of your campsite, what are they taking? What's in their hands? Babies? Food? What are they taking? Okay. So we are hardwired for connection through the hands. And I want you to remember this also when you're doing your virtual meetings on Zoom. Don't hide your hands behind the lens of the screen. Have your hands there. But when we are speaking in all types of situations, so you want to have an open stance. And usually you would want your hands, palms facing up next to your body. Or if it's really more comfortable, you can do the presenter style triangle. Just a triangle. Because we don't want to have hands all over the place, because that does diminish the message. So the triangle does help you get your hands into a resting position. Try and open the triangle, or next to the body. This is a lot more powerful once we get into this position. And now, if you go look at Vanessa Van Edwards' content on this, she has a lot of information on how you can use gestures to make your message more powerful. For example, you can indicate to this method that Vanessa uses, or the other method that whoever uses. So this or that. Or you can say, let's rewind to the past. Okay, so now we've taken them on the visual journey. Let's rewind. 1, 2, 3. So what you want to do is you want to plan your movements on the words that you speak, on the messages, to really make an impact. That's something else you can do. You can make the chop. So always open fit, open palms. We don't want to go like that, and you don't want to point fingers like politicians do, but rather open. And that will build connection with you and your audience. I hope this video was of benefit to you. If it was, please subscribe to the channel. Become part of this community where I will give you so much free information on how to find your confident voice. Tell your friends. Make the party bigger. Bye, guys.